welcome to the video. We're going to talk about e-bikes. Again, I've never had a driver's license. This is a standard commuter. This is Natasha's bike. If you want to burn fat, just get your standard bike. But if you're maybe getting a bit too lean, or maybe you're new to cycling and you want to get rid of your car. Over here, I've got some cars. I just bought and sold some cars. There's some parked them over here. Cars, we have a lot of faffery with cars. You've got the insurance and the rego and the blah, 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 blah. And then you've got over here an e-bike. So e-bikes, I think every house in Australia should have an e-bike, and let's have a suss what we've got here. This is a battery from a brand called Rouge, which I've been shopping there for quite a number of years. I rate those guys here. And I've got a 52 volt, 1331 watt hour, so a really strong, solid battery there. But you can see it doesn't take up too much room, and I highly recommend the frame mounted batteries. Now, I've just done a full body job on this bike. It took about just a little bit under 30 minutes to get this bike all ready to roll. We've got a Bafang 750 watt, 48 volt motor, or it's a 52, one of the two. I think it's a 48, 52, same. And just, this will go on pretty much any bike that has a BSA bottom bracket. BSA meaning threaded. So that's what I love about this system. I've been using e-bikes for over 10 years. I live to ride to live. And the Bafang system is great. Like, I had a Bafang for 10 years. It eventually died. And then I just got a replacement motor, slapped it on this bike. This can go on a road bike, you can go on so many bikes this can go onto. If you go into a bike shop today and buy a complete e-bike, you're locked into that system. But with the Bafang kit, you got total freedom. I can put this Bafang kit on this S-Works Tarmac SL2 over here because it's got a BSA bottom bracket. Now, 750 watt motor on that, you're going to be going up Northern Summit a lot quicker than today's Porsche car, just saying. And Cookie Monster. And Cookie Monster will be able to keep up with that on the best juice. Anyway, that's the deal here. This is what I recommend. I'd recommend go out and get an e-bike today. Like, seriously, get a kit. Get a Bafang 750 watt, chuck on a hybrid bike. I do recommend hydro discs, like big calipers, so you've got some fat tyre braking power there. Discs for e-bike, rim for road races. And the battery like this, at least a 52 volt, 31 watt hour. Why so much capacity? Because you want to have longevity. You don't have to charge your bike every 10 minutes, do you? And it's just a great setup. And it's so cheap, man. It's peanuts. This stuff's also cheap. Like, once it replaces your car as well, you're saving money every week. Everyone needs transport, yeah? And so on the back here, I've got full of shoes. I'm about to post off to them a bunch of shoes. And I've got this bike really, really ugly looking. Look at this bike. Look at this bike. It looks like trash. This bike looks like trash. Literally, the parts in this bike, some of these parts came from the bin, all right? This is a bin bike. And that it reduces the chance of theft as well. So it's just a really low maintenance, low anxiety bike to own, and just really enhances the quality of life. All right, so if you want to save cash, get fitter, help the environment, ease traffic pollution, etc., get an e-bike set up, and forget going to Specialized or Merida or Cannondale, all these brands who do e-bikes, because in my opinion, you have a problem with them, even if they give you a warranty, it's like you get away, it's getting sent, blah, 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 blah. It's just faffery. Whereas this stuff, your battery gets stolen, your battery dies, you have a crash, whatever, it's pretty cheap to get a replacement. It's a lot more accessible and easy to live with. And for me, I'm all about living that simple life, products that simplify my life versus add more faffery. But anyway, that's Rouge. I'll leave a link down below to the exact setup I recommend, and I highly recommend that. There isn't a single better product on the market, e-bikes. If there is, let me know down below. There isn't.